Hello friends, my name is Ivan Ram. I am here to talk about my seminar topic, static and dynamic memory allocation. Memory management in C. Memory is a crucial resource in programming, responsible for storing data and programming instructions. Effective memory management ensures efficient utilization and prevents memory-related issues like leaks or fragmentation. Static and dynamic memory allocation. Static allocation, memory allocated at a compile time with fixed size. Dynamic allocation, memory allocated at a runtime with variable size. Memory management in C. Memory model, stack versus heap. Stack stores functions, call for information and local variables managed by the compiler. Heap, dynamically allocated memory used for objects with variable lifetimes, managed by the programmer. Role of memory allocation in program execution determines how memory is utilized by the program during runtime. Directly impacts program performance, efficiency, and resource utilization. Static memory allocation. Definition and characteristic. Memory allocated at a compile time. Memory size and lifetime are fixed. Static variables in C. Explanation of static variables. Variables declared with the static keyword. Return their value between function calls. Lifetime and scope of static variables exists throughout the program execution. Scope depends on where they are declared. Example: global scope, local static scope. Conclusion. Summary of static and dynamic memory allocation concepts. Static allocation provides efficiency and predictability. Dynamic allocation offers flexibility but requires careful management. Important of memory management in C program. Proper memory management is essential for program efficiency, stability, and reliability.